Okay, welcome, Jimmy. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about your job at Bank of America Home Mortgage.
So basically, I originate loans, and we're just your average mortgage office, I guess you would say. I would say, try and collect as much information as possible up front. W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements. We're looking for 2 months of bank statements, 1 month pay stubs, 2 years W-2s, or 2 years tax returns. Those are the main key things that we are looking for today.
So is it encouraged for an agent to come with his client to the process?
Oh, definitely. I mean, if they want to attend, they're more than welcome.
And does that benefit the customer? Is that a good thing to do?
I think it does kind of benefit the customer because I mean, it's like when you're meeting a person for the first time, you don't know what to say. There's no icebreakers or anything, so it kind of gives them, a little easier transition. Right now, we're really pushing the FHA 203K program, and what that is some people call it the rehab loan, some people call it the reconstruction loan or whatnot. It's where you can rebuild your home to however you like it, as long as you keep the original foundation. You can finance up to the FHA limit and rebuild your home to whatever you like, and you can actually do it piece by piece if you want to. If you want to just do your kitchen, or if you want to just do a bathroom, if you want to add a little bit more space, you can do that. It's really, really flexible. It's almost like a construction loan. Well, it's really hard to say right now because the rates are so volatile. Last week we had 3 rate changes in one day, and it went up probably like from 4.75 to 5% in just one day. So it was really, it's really volatile right now. The next day it went down to about 4.875, and then it's just going back and forth, back and forth. I think we're right around 4.875 is about the average these days. So a pre-approval really only takes about a half an hour to an hour. As long as we have the correct information from the client, we can really actually push one of those out really quickly. The main key is getting the income correct, making sure that we put in the correct figures to issue that pre-approval. So I usually like to have the income documentations up front, but sometimes we don't get that, so it's kind of a difficult deal. But just to make sure that the income is correct, and then all the other information is correct. We pull credit at the pre-approval process, and that credit report is good for 90 days. So as long as your purchase doesn't take over 90 days, we're good to go on that. As far as the process from actual, I wouldn't say pre-approval to funding, I would say more of signing the purchase and sales agreement. So the fully executed purchase and sales agreement to funding usually takes about 30 days.
Okay, so within the 30-day time period, you can expect to be done.
Yes. Well, it's really speculation right now, but if they do shut down Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, I would say we're going to go back to actual investors stepping in and buying these loans. Bigger banks may step in to invest in loans, or there may be other government entities that are actually going to, step in and take over these loans. if that happens, if Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac shuts down, you're gonna see more interest rate increases, and then also you may see the rebirth of prepayment penalties. It depends on how long you're gonna stay in the home. It's really hard to say. It's really case by case. Uh, like, for example, if you were to live in your home for maybe 3 or 4 years and then buy a new home, I would suggest a 5-year ARM. If you're looking to stay in that home for a good amount of time, um, the 15-year loan is a good option if you can afford it, or the 30-year is probably, better because you have lower payments. Although you have less going towards your principal, it does lower your payment, so you have less money coming out of your pocket. Um, I mean, we're all pretty much the same. You're gonna see pretty much the same products. 5-year ARM, 10-year ARM, 30-year fix, government programs. I guess it's really the service that really counts, and we try and provide excellent service every time. Another advantage is, we have locations almost on every corner, so you can go make your mortgage payment at a branch if you need to, or online banking. It's really easy to make your payment online if you have a Bank of America account right now.